Struggling with WhatsApp video calls not connecting on Android devices? You're not alone. In this video, we'll go over several easy solutions to help you get your WhatsApp video calls working again. Let's get started. Before you follow anything, open Settings, scroll down, tap Developer Options. Make sure to turn on the Developer option on your device. Scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Scroll down a little. Also, enable Always Mobile Data On. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. To do this, open a browser on your phone. Search anything to verify your internet is working. If the connection is slow or unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works or not. Solution 2. Update WhatsApp. Open the Play Store, search for WhatsApp. If an update is available, tap Update. After updating, relaunch WhatsApp and check for any issues. Solution 3. Turn off Data Saver Mode. Turning on Data Saver Mode for calls may disrupt the video call connection. Go to WhatsApp, tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner, select Settings, tap on Storage and Data. If the Use Less Data for Calls option is turned on, turn it off. Solution 4. Turn off Battery Saver Mode. Battery Saver Mode can limit the performance of WhatsApp and cause video calls to fail. Swipe down the Quick Action panel. Turn off Battery Saver Mode if it's turned on. After disabling it, open WhatsApp and try making a video call again. If none of these solutions work, it might be a temporary issue with WhatsApp's servers. Let us know in the comments which solution works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.